like sit or something.
Shoulders back, look confident.
Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of how to make merchandise for your YouTube channel. You're in the right spot to learn all about selling merchandise online with Spreadshop. If you're coming back, welcome back. If it's your first time, what do we do?
Smash that subscribe button.
That's how it's done.
I said it right this time. I always mess that up.
So yeah, subscribe to this channel. Tune in all the time for how-tos, tips, and tricks about selling merchandise on your Spreadshop. You won't be disappointed. Today, we're covering once you're signed up. What do you want to do with your shop? How do you get it started?
After you sign up for your shop, the first thing you're going to want to do is set up your tax form and your bank account settings. It can all be found in the user area. Until you do that, you can't get paid, so we recommend doing that right after sign up. But after that, there's a couple things that you're going to want to do before you go ahead and jump into the full Spreadshop journey. You really want to make your shop look as professional as possible, so when your followers or subscribers are coming into your shop, it really feels like it's your own.
Header images and colors. So say you have a YouTube channel header image already on YouTube. Simple to bring that same image over to your shop and get that at the top of your merchandise store. So your brand is consistent across your channel and your store. Or if you have a cool other image, you can do whatever you want. I like to put cornfields in mine.
You and cornfields.
That's a reference to an old video. If you're a fan of this channel, I love cornfields.
He's obsessed with them.
Beyond that, I'm just gonna leave that one on the table.
So weird.
Beyond that, you can change your colors to match any brand colors you might have. They're real easy to do from within the shop edit section of your partner area. Also, to get your shop going,
social media.
Social media, baby.
We love social media. Yeah, so we have made it easy for you to connect all of your social media channels right into your header image. So if someone comes across your shop, they can go straight to any of your social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or of course YouTube. It's one click away.
And that keeps that consistent messaging across all of your brand outlets. More importantly than anything, if you have a shop, you need to sell something. So get in there, upload designs, and publish merch. If you just have an empty shop and you direct people to them, you're not gonna sell many things.
Would you buy from a blank shop that just had like random goods in it? I probably wouldn't.
The hottest shirts we see is just taking something you say on your YouTube videos, making a cool text design out of it. It's the easiest, if you're not a designer, it's the easiest way to get your ideas on a shirt is just cool, funny text designs that your fans are gonna know from watching your videos. They're gonna be like, I remember exactly that episode, they said that thing, I wanna put that on a shirt, I wanna wear that. I want other people to know that I'm a fan of that YouTube channel, and that's why they'll buy your merch. So get in there, upload designs. It's pretty easy, there's a little design tab. There's some formatting you gotta do, but it's super easy, it's super straightforward. Drag and drop, place it on shirts, hats, mugs, whatever you want, and fill your shop with cool and exciting merch.
It's a good time.
It's pretty awesome. So to get started, head over to Spreadshop.com. We hope you're already signed up, but if you aren't, sign up for a shop, it's free. Tune back into this channel to get more tips and tricks.
Smash that subscribe button.
Smash it.
Please smash
it. Till next time, guys.
Goodbye.
Take it easy.